Let's get this show on the road, shall we? I know you guys been working hard on your trucks to get them to run good, to get them to look good, and if you're like me, you want them to sound good too. Grand Rock Exhaust Solutions. They have chrome, OE aftermarket, emission solutions, stainless, universal replacement parts, mufflers, and all the clamps and hardware as well. They have a complete line of exhaust systems in all the sizes that you want, right up to 8 inches. And you can find them at any of these aftermarket parts suppliers, any of the websites you go to for your other parts, you can find Grand Rock there. So if you're like me, you want the best, Grand Rock. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all those killer old school Cabovers. I know you did. I don't even have to ask. But listen, before you guys leave me, look down below please in the comments section. First of all, please like the video, subscribe to the channel because I think you're going to like all this old school content, and even leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of them. But down below are several links and they are my sponsors, and if you use those links to buy your goodies, they're going to give you a discount, and you can't get it just on the websites of all the suppliers. So make sure you check out my sponsors down below, click on their links, and patronize them. I appreciate it. And so I guess until next time, I'm going to have to tell you, keep the hammer down, safe and sound. Ready to rock there, Colombo?
Yeah, thank you.